Ladies and gentlemen, we are now about to see Caged Burned.
You feel school going to help you? What we need is help now, and you need to go look work.
You need to make sure that you never end up like me.
You are nothing like the others. I never had to talk so much to the others.
I'm trying. I really am.
That's what you call trying. If others can do it, so can you.
You think I have money to waste on something she's going to fail?
Fail? I'm really trying. What do you want me to do?
Study harder.
Don't end up on your back like me.
Learn how to make real money like me.
I don't want to be like you.
Watch how you're talking to me, girl.
How dare you? You wish you could be like me.
You better save that attitude for clients. You're going to end up just like me.
Hear me good. I did what I needed to do to make sure that you wouldn't end up like me.
You know, I'll always love you.
I'm sorry, Mom.
This doesn't happen in Antigua. This doesn't happen in places like this. This doesn't happen in Antigua. This doesn't happen in places like this. This doesn't happen in Antigua. This doesn't happen in places like this. This doesn't happen in Antigua. This doesn't happen in places like this. This doesn't happen in Antigua. This doesn't happen in places like this. This doesn't happen in Antigua. This doesn't happen in places like this. This doesn't happen in Antigua. This doesn't happen in places like this. This doesn't happen in Antigua. This doesn't happen in places like this. This doesn't happen in Antigua. This doesn't happen in places like this. This doesn't happen. Come with me, Mom! This doesn't happen.
I just want to go to school, Mom! Why is this happening? Mom! Mommy! Mom! Answer me!
You crazy? Why would you do that? You don't see she not learning?
I was just trying to help her.
Honey, nothing name help you.
She was scared.
And you're not? Look around. Everyone here is scared, but not everyone is trying to get killed.
I said I was just trying to help her. She's just a child.
Look around. We're all children. Just look.
15,
16.
14, 12.
And I was 10. Just like her when they got me. I've been in this long enough to know no one is coming. No one cares.
They don't even know we're here. You think people care?
Someone must be looking for you.
Are you?
All of you.
Not everyone comes from those homes.
And those of us who do, they've given up by now. Do you even know what island you're in?
No, but
Exactly. By now, the police who aren't in on it are telling your family they don't believe you're on island.
they'll recommend the counselor and begin to tell your family to give up because they don't think that you're on the island and have no idea which island to look.
They probably tell your family that you think you're dead right now.
No, but I'm not dead.
I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead.
Make sure you catch your right bus this
Yeah.
time. Make sure you come up with a child, okay? Okay, Spooky.
strange it is to dream of you. Even when I am weak and oh my heart it breaks, nothing is the same. But I'm still fighting for you, and I will find you. I've been looking and looking and looking just to see you. Where are you, my darling? I want to find you. There's no hour, no minute or second that I don't feel you in my heart, and I will find you. I've been looking and looking and looking just to see you. Where are you, my darling? I want to find you. There's no hour, no minute or second that I don't feel you in my heart. Find you.
I know it's hard, but we just have to try and make it through each minute.
Just a minute, and then another minute, and then another.
I don't even know how long I've been gone now. I can't remember how my mother's voice sounds anymore.
My father died when I was 5. I don't remember his face anymore. I try to see him in a different man that would.
But he never.
I know. But it helps to double, you know?
What's that?
It's something we do to escape. We leave our bodies and what's happening, and we go to someplace safe, someplace nice.
We're gonna dream and dream and dream and dream until they come and hey! Us, we got no food, no bed, and that's just fine. Do what you like, you can't get in my head. Go to a place where they like to see all the stars in the sky. You think about what they will do, just close your eyes and fly.
water, the gentle breeze of sleep my soul, kisses them softly, and beckons me into the slow embrace. I can see everything, a fish, a pinkish purple shell, so pretty, so perfect, and my body melts into that. I'm whole.
We're gonna dream and dream and dream and dream until they come and catch us. We got no food, no bed, and that's just how. Do what you like, you can't get in my head.
I'm with Mother. She's combing my hair, and I can still feel her fingers placing the grease on my scalp. It's cool and gentle, and even when she parts and tugs between the tangles, it's her hand holding me firm, holding my thick hair and telling me how beautiful my hair is. She doesn't make me feel like anything is wrong. I feel whole and perfect, and she just plays with my hair. We talk sometimes about nothing and everything, but that's my home, sitting there between her legs as she combs my hair. And on special occasions, my birthday, my aunt and grandmother join me. It feels like 100 hands are on me. But they're laughing and sharing stories, and I feel so good in that circle. So good. All their hands are on me. Generations of hands combing my hair. I can't see their hands now. Can't remember how my mother's hands felt on me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought, what did you think? That we could help her. She's just 10. No one helped me. Or her. Or her. We just have to keep the faith. We have to continue to believe.
To believe what?
What's that?
That's life happening there right now, and we're not in this together. Hey, take it easy on her. Why? Don't pretend like you don't know what they're doing to her right now. And it's just a matter of time before they come for you.
Come for me? My mother is going to find me before that happens. We can't give up.
Find you? There is no finding you.
Just because your mother doesn't give a damn about you, doesn't mean that some of us don't have people looking for us.
Say that again.
Guys,
No! Say it. Say what you're really thinking about my mother. Say it.
I said she doesn't give a damn about you. And she's probably drugged up somewhere, and you probably got yourself into this. That's not true.
No! Let her talk. Let it out. Let it all out. Say what you're really thinking about me. About
I'm not like you guys. I wasn't even supposed to be here. I don't deserve to be here.
Little Miss New York and her fancy accent. I feel she better than people behind the shoulders her real side.
That's not what I meant. I didn't mean.
Yes, you did. You just did not mean to say it out loud. You think that we're all dumb or poor? That we all come from broken homes? That someone was raping us at those homes? That's what you think? That we're all runaways? Newsflash. Some of us didn't run from anything. We were taken just like you.
That's what you really think of us? Of course not.
Of course it is.
I thought you were my friend.
What is wrong with all of you? No one here is your friend. There are no friends here.
Don't talk to her like that.
Like what? She's had people speak to her way worse than this. Hey, why? Why should I take it easy on her? I don't even remember when my birthday is. This is not the life I should be living.
Nosotros no deberemos de vivir esta vida. Yo soy de Santo Domingo, la República Dominicana, y cuando abro mi boca, yo sé lo que piensa la gente, yo sé lo que piensa tú, que soy una puta. None of us are supposed to be living this life. I am from Santo Domingo, the DR, and as soon as I open my mouth, I know what you think. I know what you think. That I'm some whore, that I'm some lowlife just because I'm Spanish and from the DR. Yes, my family is poor. We scrape to make ends meet, but we're good people, decent people. I was going to school when my father, he got shot and killed. I had to help my mother. So when the woman with job showed up, she convinced my mom to look after us. You know, what a housekeeper makes in 1 week in Antigua can feed my family for a month.
I had no idea.
No, because they're busy judging people.
My sister and I signed up.
No worry, mommy. I'll take good care of them. So pretty. And the program also includes free classes. She go to escuela, school, learn. One day, she do more than clean house.
¿Qué? Dice que vamos a ir a la escuela y que vamos a tener trabajo bueno. She says we'll get good jobs and go to school. Escuela, bien, sí, gracias, gracias.
De nada, señora, de nada. Vámonos, niñas. Tell your mother goodbye.
We'll be together. It's just uno año, 1 year, and you get escuela, school. Te amo, bonita. Mommy? Te amo, mami.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed in the beautiful islands of Antigua. For those who live here, welcome home. For those in transit, please remain on board. If this is your first time to our lovely shores, do remember the beach is just the beginning.
Wait here. I'll take care of everything. Your passports, please. I need to make sure they put the right timestamp.
¿Dónde es?
Where are we? This is your home for now, please. You thought you were coming all this way for free? You think it's cheap to fly out from Dominica Republic to Antigua? You have to pay me back.
Hey, you back? This is not a hotel. You said
You told us we be shut up. You will do whatever I want you to do. And if you don't, I'll go right back to your street and grab your little sister and make her repay your debt. After I send them to kill two bad women. Let's start by making these two gentlemen or something. No underground railroad there for you to escape to now. It's like you don't understand. Hey, they're coming, they're coming!
Are you coming to the tree? They strung up a man, they say, who murdered
What are you
three.
guys doing?
Strange things have happened here.
They're coming. We have
We
to
met
stay still.
at midnight in the
If you drink
hen
it home.
tree.
What are you talking about?
Are you coming to the tree?
If you're dumb,
We're dead
just
and
try
called
to
out.
break through it.
What is happening?
Toys
Shut
of
up! The auction is about to
Strange
begin.
things did happen
Yeah,
and a
some of us
stranger
will leave,
would
and some of us, well,
if we
will be
met
rented.
at
But you have to
midnight
be quiet before they hear
in
you.
the hanging tree.
Here, take
Are
this. It will
Are
help.
you coming to the tree?
Auction? But we're not
to
slaves.
So we
We're fresh
both
off
be
the
free.
boat, fellas.
Strange things have
Perfect for
happened
breathing,
here, stranger
cleaning
would
houses, cooking. This one is perfect for the fields.
Are you
Nice and dark to take the heat of the sun, and a little savory, if you know what I mean.
necklace of hope
Don't be
side by
shy.
side?
Examine them.
Strange things have happened here, stranger
Oh, that one.
would
That one is prime product.
hang.
Never been touched. But for a fee,
Are you?
you can examine her carefully.
I told you to run, so we don't be strange things that happen here, a stranger would if we met at midnight.
Of course I like it. I'm not. I'm just not comfortable. Of course I love you. Why would you even ask me that? I'm just not. Okay, but do you have to record this time? I'm just not. Okay. Okay, let's do it. You promise you'll delete it after?
You promise! Babes, if you don't want me sending this to your parents and the rest of the school, this is what's going to happen. I'm only doing this because I love you. Remember you said you love me? Show me how much, and I won't hit send. Here's your cut. See if you can catch 3 more for me by next month. I'm getting more requests for local girls.
never go home again.
Get that one!
I try to remember, but it's been forever. These words remind me that I'm a bird without feathers. I've been in chains, and it seems no freedom reigns. I've been locked up for too long, caged bird. No one is coming, no one cares. They don't even know we're here. I don't remember how long I've been gone. No one is coming, no one cares. I see no escape, and so I try to remember, but it's been forever. These words remind me that I'm a bird without feathers. I've been in chains, and it seems no freedom reigns. I've been locked up for